Back to another video. Today we have the buy one get one free from Craftsman, Dewalt, and Bosch. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Basically, it's a buy one get one. You buy something, you get something for free. Some of these deals are ridiculous low price for what you're getting. This is at Lowe's. You can get this now. Make sure you guys get it now, because if you guys get them later, they might not be in your store. Alright, let's start here with the ones on the top. Let's close this thing. Alright, the first one is the impact wrench. This is the variable speed impact wrench, $119. Alright, with the Craftsman deals, you buy the tool, which is $119, which is a great deal. You click on the free gift with purchase, and you're going to get a charger and a 4 amp hour battery for free. That's a smoking killer deal. For $119, the 4 amp hour battery, that's a really good deal. On these, they're running these deals. I believe they're $99. Maybe they're lower now. But they're $99, and you get a free gift with these. These are the 12 volts Dewalts. I don't know if you guys have heard about these, but these are the newer Dewalts, like really smaller tools. They are 12 volts. It's a new line, but you can still use the same chargers. So you're gonna get these kits for $99, and you're gonna get a free 5 amp hour battery. So as you guys see there, it's a free $79 value. So this is definitely a killer deal. Check it out. Check these deals out. If you want to get into, you know what these are good for? These are good for if you're going to be on that ceiling. You're going to be carrying that little tool, that impact driver, that drill driver all day. Eventually that weight's going to get into you, and you need something lighter. Or if you need something that's smaller on a tight space, maybe in between some beams or something, this is the tool that you're going to need. You know, I would say this is the tool that you're going to have beside your 20 volt tools, your 18 volt tools. I would definitely add it to your arsenal. You got the Bosch. Bosch is running the same deals. $119, you buy the bare tool. Once you buy the bare tool, this is the 18 volt 6.5 cordless circular saw. You buy the bare tool for $119. I believe you get a battery and a charger for free. So this is a 4 amp hour battery, lithium power tool battery kit. Charger included, $129 value. Definitely check it out. This is worthwhile. These are great tools. It does have almost 4.5 stars. So like I said, these are awesome tools. Same thing with the Craftsman. They're doing the deal here with this this ratchet. So if you want to get the free battery with the 4 amp hour battery and the charger, you get this. This is a 20 volt max variable speed drive cordless ratchet. $79. You got the same deal with the what is this? The 2.6 gallons wet and dry shop vac for $139. Got the same deal here with the Bulldog for $149. You get this SDS 3/4 SDS Plus variable speed cordless for $149. This is a great deal, guys. Bosch is known for their cordless SDS rotary hammers. And this is the impact driver here for the Extreme with 2 batteries, charger in the bag. Like I said, this is the newer tool. These are brushless, 12 volts. You're going to get that 5 amp hour battery. Same thing with this, the circular saw. I would say, it's a pretty good circular 7.25. It's not going to be like your Milwaukee or your Dewalt, but you know what? It's made by Dewalt. It's not made by Dewalt, but it's made by the same company. It's their sister company, so they have a lot of similarities. So I would say this is a good quality tool for the prosumer level, for the DIY. It's a great little saw here, and it'll get you the 4 and the charger there. You got an angle grinder here with the Bosch. I believe you get the 4 amp hour battery and the charger for $129. And then what is this? This is the Extreme 1/4 inch impact brushless. So this one was the impact. Yeah, this one was the impact wrench. I believe the 3/8 impact wrench, and this is the impact driver. So this is the impact. Both of these are $99. Same thing with this. You buy this kit, you're gonna get a free battery. This is the one-handed reciprocating saw. It says tool only. I believe you're going to get the 5. Yep, you're going to get the 5 for free. If you already got the chargers, you don't need the chargers. You're going to get the 5 and you're good to go. Same thing with the reciprocating saw from Bosch. 18 volt variable speed cordless reciprocating saw, 119. You're going to get that battery for free. On this one, you're going to get another battery for free with this 18 volt 1/2 inch cordless real dry rate charger included. Same thing with the circular saw, and same thing with this battery. You're going to get another battery for free. This is the 9 amp hour battery. If you're already in the line, if you want something big, it's going to handle the power tools, like the bigger power tools, or the yard. If you have yard tools like weed whackers and chainsaws and stuff. This is the Freak for $149. This is impact driver, I believe, and impact wrench at the same time. So this is something that they have. $149. I believe you're going to get a free 4 amp hour battery with this. Let me just double check for you guys. And remember, guys, jump on these deals because they will sell out. Trust me. I've been there. I've done that before. So 69 bucks. So if you guys are interested in anything that I have here, make sure you guys get it because they order the size shipping discount. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Let's check this out. Alright, so free gift with purchase. So it's $2.99. Oh yeah, you're gonna get the radio. So this radio is $1.99, guys. You're already getting a whole deal there for $2.99. It's one of the better deals there. Check out this brushless paddle switch, brushless cordless angle grinder. And this is the impact wrench for $99. You get the free 4 and the charger. Same thing with this. You get the free 4s and the charger. And check this out, guys. This one dropped down to $59. Can you guys believe this? I bought this for 99 bucks and it dropped down to $59. If you guys want to see the review, I'll see if I can link it up above. But I have it on my channel. You guys want to check it out. There's a lot of reviews out there that is the same as the 887 from the Dewalt. So if you need a cheap one for 60 bucks, you're gonna get a 4 amp hour battery, a charger, and a drill. If I could afford it, I would get another one. I think I'm gonna get one of these, so I could have both of these and compare them to other tools. You know, so we can make videos. I'm probably gonna end up getting something like this. This will be a great addition for the channel here, so we can make more videos. So this is the hammer. I believe this is the hammer drill, and you get that free 4 and the charger. Yep, this is the hammer drill. Yeah, I think we're gonna get that for the channel. What else? We got a second page here. I believe we got one more. Yeah, this is the bandsaw, guys. This is the 18 volts 2.5 inch bandsaw. Battery not included. But you get the free gift, guys. The free 4 amp hour battery and the charger. So definitely check it out. All these deals are great. Make sure you guys jump on them before they sell out or they go away. And don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.